We fill the box here. Look at that. Not bad. Are you gonna measure that one?
I don't know, it's long enough.
Doesn't look like it. Guess a goodbye. He's like, those sell best.
Those two, those are
Strong
screwing me.
sale.
Kenny, pick up your monster here, your box stretcher.
Show him the good eye.
Show him the good eye, not the brown eye. Come on, flip it over. That's right. That's a gorgeous one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's probably